Hello, in this video I'm going to show you all backup methods on OPPO Reno 15. Alright, we need to open up our settings. Once we are here, keep scrolling down until you find System and Update. Click on that and now Backup and Reset. We have the Google backup and also the backup above. Let's begin with the option that's on the top. And we have clone phone or the local backup. When it comes to the clone phone, I'm not sure, but I think that this option only works for OPPO and, for example, POCO phones, for the phones from one family, let's call it in that way, because when I'm downloading the clone phone app on any other phone, for example, on the Samsung, the only option that I have on my Samsung is sending the data, not receiving it, because, you know, on our OPPO, we would like to click on that this is the old device and we want to copy data from our OPPO into our Samsung. But on our Samsung, the only option that we have is also only sending the data, and it's impossible to receive it in my case. I don't know why. And that is why I'm not a big fan of the clone phone. But don't worry, we have other options. For example, we have the local backup. Click on New Backup. And now select what you want to backup. In my case, I want everything except my apps. So I'll unselect them and click on Start. You need to remember that this is a local backup and it's stored in the internal storage of our phone. So for example, after the reset of our device, the backup will be also lost. So if you click on Done, you can also read that it's good to copy that backup into our computer. I'll show you how to do it later. So don't worry. Now let's go straight into second method, which is Google account backup. That's one of my favorites. Simply click on Google account, select photos and videos and other device data, and confirm. You also need to be signed in into your Google account, of course, if you want to use that feature. Okay, down below we have the backup details. You need to remember that photos and videos and other device data must be turned on. If they are not, simply tap on each and turn it on. And you cannot forget your Google account. You can click on other device data, and that's the Google account that you're currently signed into. You cannot forget this Google account, because if you want to restore that backup later in the future, you'll need to be signed in into the exact same Google account. So you need to have that in mind. Okay, when photos and videos and other device data are turned on, all we need to do now is to click on this big green button, Backup Now. In my case, also need to confirm by typing my screen lock. And now we need to wait. Within a few seconds, we should see a circle over here. Okay, here it is. And it's slowly fulfilling. I should take a look, but currently it's not moving yet. But it's going to slowly fulfill, and when it disappears, it means that our backup has been successfully created. We'll also see a notification on the bottom of the screen if everything goes as just like it should. So I'll see you in a second once this process is done. Okay, the process has finished 0 minutes ago. As you take a look, and if you click on other device data, you scroll down, you can see the backup details, and as you take a look, everything went successfully. Okay, so that was the second method. Now I'll show you how to copy that local backup into your computer. So give me a second and I'll see you on my desktop. Okay. Now, as you take a look, we are on my desktop. Now, you need to connect your phone into your computer using a USB-C cable. Then, open up the File Explorer and click on this PC and find your OPPO. Click on that, and I don't know why I cannot see my internal storage. It should be right in here. Okay, I know why. You need to open up your notification bar and you need to select what you want to do using the USB. You need to tap on that and select File Transfer / Android Auto. Now verify. And now it will work. So again, the File Explorer, OPPO, and now we have access into internal shared storage. That's the thing that we wanted to open. Now in here, open up Android, go into Data, find Backup Restore folder. It can be hidden because we have a lot of things right in here, or you can also simply click on Search. but I have found it. Backup restore. Open it up. Now backup, data, and that's the folder with our backup. We can simply copy it into our computer. I'll also create a new folder. I will name it OPPO backup, and now click on Ctrl C, open up the folder, Ctrl V, and now we just need to simply wait until our backup is copied. Of course, later we can also restore that backup from our computer. We just need to copy it into the backup folder in the internal shared storage of our phone. Okay, everything's been copied, so we need to wait. Okay, when it disappears, it means that everything has been successfully copied, and now our local backup is also stored on our computer, so even after the reset of our phone, we'll be able to receive and restore our data from our PC. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.